Let's grow. Welcome to the Kickback Frequency Cafe. This is the TopCat AI Signal Report number 42. Someone hit my back and track. Let's go. All right. I am Coach Clement. It is Friday, July 17th. What happened? What matters? What comes next? Signal of the day, y'all. The AI race is shifting from who has the smartest model to who controls access, distribution, rights, and the rules. Today's strongest developments connect four movements. China is promoting a competing global AI order. Open-weight models are moving closer to the frontier. Europe is forcing dominant platforms to make room for rival AI assistants. And governments are beginning to define ownership when humans create with AI. The next phase of AI will be shaped as much as access and accountability as by intelligence. Here's the TopCat Impact Board. Open-weight frontier models. The likely impact is immediate, you guys. What comes next? Lower cost access and stronger competition with closed platforms. The next signal, competing global AI systems. This likely impact is structured. Countries align around governance. And the difference is that they are not playing around, guys. That's the real lick, all right? As far as platform access rules, man, that likely impact is real high because rival assistants are gaining deeper access to phone search data and digital services. I don't know if I like that. You guys, we got to look into that. So, next, AI copyright reform. Impact is immediate for creators like me. More laws are distinguishing who can and who can't. And how is this information generated? Now, small business vendor choice. This is a major opportunity. More competition, lower switching costs, and stronger process to portability. So, I'm loving that. And I got a lot of friends who are developers, and one of the top developers in the industry, which I will go unnamed, but he's rocking it as well. Tier 1 signals, y'all. As I said, China positioned itself as the leader of more open global AI order. At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Chinese President Xi Jinping promoted China as a champion of wider AI access and international cooperation, particularly for developing countries. Now, I really like this because they're not trying to be like the illegal settler colonies in the U.S. and trying to control this stuff. They're literally trying to make it for the people so that it can promote prosperity. What a way to go, man. Unbelievable. So, China also backed the creation of a new world artificial intelligence cooperation organization. Damn, you can't say that fast. With 29 countries signing an agreement to establish the body. This is based on Reuters, y'all. Now, why does this matter? It matters because AI governance is becoming a form of diplomacy now. Countries will increasingly evaluate AI partnerships through cost and accessibility, data sovereignty, infrastructure support, political alignment, language and local market support, open versus closed model access, and national security restriction. What comes next? The world may not develop one shared AI ecosystem. Instead, businesses could encounter multiple overlapping systems shaped by the United States, China, Europe, and regional alliances. Here's the TopCat interpretation. Choosing an AI provider may eventually resemble choosing a payment network, a telecom system, or cloud jurisdiction. The decision would involve more than model quality. And now for a break from a sponsor. If you are one of the leaders that are listening right now, I know you don't have time. We have something for you. Stay with us. The TopCat AI Signal Report is made for you. We appreciate you. Thank you. Number 2, moonshot release, Kimi K3, a massive open-weight model. Chinese startup Moonshot AI unveiled Kimi K3, which it describes as a 2.8 trillion parameter open-weight model with performance approaching leading proprietary U.S. system. The release underscores how rapidly Chinese open models are closing the capability gap with closed frontier platforms. Why it matters. Open-weight models can allow organizations to run AI on their own infrastructure, customize models more deeply, reduce dependence on one vendor, control where data is processed, build specialized industry systems, and potentially lower long-term operating costs. And we definitely need that, because these compute cycles, data centers they're building in the U.S., it sucks, and we need them out of here. Open access can resolve this. However, it does not automatically mean easy, secure, and ethical. Get it? Ethical deployment. So what comes next? Even stronger competition around model price, local deployment, customization, multilingual performance, data control, developer freedom, and national access restrictions. Here's my small business meaning. More competition can lower prices and increase choice, but most small businesses will still need implementation, evaluation, security, and ongoing support. Now, number 3, since Europe orders Google to open Android and search data to AI rivals, the European Commission has required Google to provide rival AI assistants access to 11 Android features, including functions that could support voice-activated searches and bookings. Google must also begin sharing certain anonymized search optimization data with qualifying competitors, subject to privacy and cybersecurity safeguards. In other words, they're not letting monopolies. No monopolization, y'all. Now, why this matters? AI competition is moving beyond model benchmarks into distribution. A capable assistant is far more useful when it can interact with phones, search, maps, bookings, calendars, messages, and operating system functions. Y'all agree? Let's grow. Dominant platforms have historically controlled those access points. Not anymore. What comes next? Expect more choice of default AI assistants, deeper third-party integrations, new privacy disputes, more platform interoperability rules, greater competition for the customer relationship. Man, this is getting great. I love this. Here's my interpretation, guys. The most valuable position in AI may not be owning the largest model. It may be owning or gaining permission to use the interface where the customer already lives. Wow. TopCat AI Signal Report. None better than this. Number 4, Indonesia moves to clarify copyright for human AI creation. Indonesia is preparing major copyright law changes that would grant protections to people who use AI as a part of the creative process. That means governments won't be able to touch you if you make a mistake, right? While increasing pressure on large AI and technology platforms over how content is used. Now, why this matters? Copyright law is beginning to distinguish among work created entirely by a human, work substantially directed and shaped by a human and using AI, work produced mostly or entirely by an automated system, training material used without clear authorization, and outputs that imitate or reproduce protected work. What comes next? Creators and businesses will increasingly need records showing who directed the creation, what source material was used, what the AI contributed, what the human changed, whether licenses or permissions were required, who owns the final output. Let's grow. Here's my interpretation, guys. We're almost at the end. Made with AI will not be complete ownership explanation. Human direction, transformation, source rights, and documentations will matter. So what comes next? Impact categories. AI price and access competition intensifies. Open-weight models will pressure proprietary providers to compete on cost, privacy, customization, reliability, and ease of deployment. For buyers, more choice is good, but comparisons must include the full cost of hosting, security, maintenance, and human review. So that's what's really coming, y'all. And as far as commercial, the distribution becomes the battleground. AI assistants will compete for access to phones, browsers, operating systems, search information, business software, and customer communication channels. Remember, the creator economy. Documentation becomes part of the ownership. Creators, agencies, marketers, publishers, and brands should keep clear records of source material, prompts, editing, approvals, and human contribution. Now here's my small business signal. More AI choice make business ownership more important, not less. What small businesses should do: they should own the customer record, brand voice, approved messaging, prompts, instructions, workflow maps, automation logic, source files, content approvals, performance history, and human escalation rules. Here's the best opportunities from today. Compare multiple providers instead of accepting the default assistant. Use open, locally hosted models like mine when privacy or customization justifies it. Preserve the ability to move workflows between platforms. Document human contribution. Negotiate clear ownership. Avoid publishing AI-created content until sources are fact-checked. Questions to ask an AI vendor. Number 1, can we export our data, prompts, and workflow history? Number 2, where's the customer data process? Number 3, is our information used for model training? Number 4, can we switch to another model without rebuilding everything? Number 5, who owns the generated material? Number 6, how are sources and actions logged? What happens if the provider changes access, price, and policy? Now here's my business rule. Use the model. Own the method. Your business process, customer relationship, brand knowledge, and accountability should never belong entirely to an outside platform. That makes sense? Real quick, my ethical lens. Access must not erase safety. Competition must protect privacy. Human contribution should remain visible. Creators deserve fair treatment. Global competition must not become a race beneath accountability. Responsible AI checklist. Every business AI workflow should include a defined purpose, memory, minimum necessary access, source and ownership records, human verification, customer disclosure where appropriate, logged action, human escalation route, and a backup or exit process. Today's AI shift will not only be about intelligence, y'all. It's about who controls access, distribution, ownership, and the rules. OpenAI can reduce dependency, but open access does not remove the need for responsibility. All right, guys. This has been a great show. We appreciate you. And remember, follow the signal. Ignore the noise. AI intelligence is spreading. Control of the method is becoming the real advantage. This has been the TopCat AI Signal Report. Number 42. I am Coach Clement. Thank you. We'll see you on 43. TopCat out.